Hello guys, it's CentFX again. I'm going to be explaining how to use MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4, but I'm only going to be using MetaTrader 5 because it's only MetaTrader 5 I use. And MetaTrader 5 is an upgraded version of MT4, that's MetaTrader 4. So let's go. Open the Play Store or Apple Store, anyone you're using. Then you search MetaTrader 5, which is this here. As you can see, this is the MetaTrader 5. They're just giving you pictures of how it looks and the rest, blah blah blah. So you install. We're going to wait for that to install. Shouldn't take much time. Okay, it's done already. So from here you can either choose to open it from this place or it should be installed on the phone already. Okay, see it here, MetaTrader 5, this one. So click it. On opening the application, it should look like that. This, then they will write welcome to MT5, then you accept the policy. They will not tell you open a demo account. By opening a demo account, blah blah blah, this thing, open a demo account. Then they will open a demo account for you, which you can see here. This is a demo, MetaTrader 5 demo account, Android demo. So now this is where all the currency pairs are. We have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and the rest. So when you click these quotes here, you can switch accounts or add the broker you're using to trade. So you can press manage account to bring you to this place where you press plus. Like me now, I'm using Xness. So what I'll do is, after I've created an account with Xness, I'm going to come to this quote, then manage account, then plus. I'm going to hit this plus button here. Plus, then they'll write find broker, which I'll press Xness because that's the broker I use. Then I come down to Xness Technology Limited. Then I just put in the logins and the password of the account. Nothing much. So now I'm going to be going through the main MetaTrader 5 itself. So today is Monday. The market just opened. Now you find the currency pairs you trade here in this. When you first open it, so the quote section is where you find the currency pairs that you trade. Then you can either add currency pair or delete the ones that are here already. We are going to be deleting most of them because I don't trade everything here. I only trade 4 to 5, sometimes 6 currency pairs, the ones I could remember, sure. So for you to delete, there's 2 buttons here. We have the plus and we have the edit. So if you want to delete, you're going to press edit. You get, when you press this edit, there's still also going to be a add pair to it, which is here. Now let's say we are going to be deleting the pairs we are not trading. We don't trade Euro, CHF, all these ones, we don't trade them. I focus mainly on major currency pairs. If you guys know what major currency pairs are, they are the ones that are paired with United States dollar or have the main currencies in them, like USD, GBP, Japanese yen, and the rest. So boom, we're going to be getting rid of this. So now we're going to be adding currency pairs from here, which we're going to be pressing plus, add symbol. We're going to add GBP JPY, GBP JPY. We trade GBP JPY, and we're going to add gold, XAU USD. On some brokers, they just label gold as gold, GOLD. So I think if it is US 30, I also trade US 30. So US 30. How am I pressing? US 30. US 30 won't show here, but there are other things you can trade like SPX 500. Those are stocks and the rest. Sure. Okay, so now we have gotten the currency pairs that we trade right here. I don't know why my network is disturbing. Should come back. So here is where we check the charts. When you press charts, this is the chart. Or whenever you pick a currency pair that you want to trade, let's say you want to trade Euro USD, you click Euro USD. When you click it, it brings out new order, chart, blah blah. I don't really look at the rest of this thing, just new order and chart. New order is where you can put the trade you want to use, but we are not going to be taking trades from there. We're going to be taking trades from the chart zone. So when we come here, I had to change an account. I was using the MetaTrader this thing, but now I have to switch it to Xness because I was having issue with MetaTrader. MetaTrader wasn't loading up, so let's do it again. So add, we're going to be adding the currency pairs we trade: XAU USD, GBP USD, JPY, Euro USD, and now since this is Xness, we can get the index, which here is US 30, and some other, there's crypto and the rest, but we're going to be sticking to the ones that we trade mostly. So now for us to take trades, we'll click the pair we want to trade. Like I was using Euro USD before, so we're going to still use Euro USD. So we click and we press chart, then it opens the chart where we see the market is moving now. The market is moving, as you guys can see. It's moving now. Look, okay. So now you click the center, or anywhere you click the center, this pops up here. Now these are time frames. This M1 means 1 minute time frame. It takes the candle 1 minute to form. M5 takes the candlesticks 5 minutes to form. M15 15 minutes. M30 30 minutes. H1 1 hour. H4 4 hours. D1 1 day. W1 equals 1 week, and MN equals 1 month. So 1 week means that it took this candlestick 1 week to form one candle like this. Well, let me get drawings out. It took one of this candle here 1 week to form here. Now, so you can select the time frames you trade on. When you analyze on trading view, then you take trades on MT5. So let's say we go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Now, market execution. When we want to enter a trade, let's say we have analyzed the market and we want to buy Euro USD. All you have to do is you click this icon here, one click trading. You click here, this pops up. This is setting limit orders like buy limit, sell limit, sell stop limit, and buy limit, and the rest. Okay, so now let's say we want to enter a trade. This is my account, so I'm not going to be taking huge lot. I'm not going to put in much lot size. So we want to buy this market. All we have to do is click this button here and come in. All we have to do is click this button, this buy button here, for us to buy. And if we want to sell, we click this sell button here for sell position. Okay, now let's say we want to buy, we press buy. This will pop up the first time you press buy or sell. So we are press agree to the terms and condition. Okay, so now we buy. As you can see, the market has tapped us in for a buy here. Now for us to make profits, as you can see, the base, I said the bid and ask. This is the bid, this down is the ask, green is the ask, and the red is the bid. I think in between these two lines is the spread here. So for us to be in profit as we bought this market, both the bid and ask price will have to be above this our entry zone here. So let me come closer. We have to be above this our entry zone here for us to be in profit. Now it's easy for you to set stop loss and the rest. So let's say now we want to set our stop loss. All we have to do is click the trade and hit on SL, and we adjust it. Let's say we want the stop loss to be here, we just adjust it, and want to take profits to be somewhere here. Now what we have to do is that we just click this blue icon. After doing that, after adjusting the stops and the take profits, you just click this blue button here. It will bring it to this, and just press modify. Boom. Now the stop loss, I think we should be in profit. We're in profit now because of the bid and ask has crossed the buy. So you guys can see the bid and ask has crossed, so we're in profit. You can adjust stop loss not only from there, but if you want to adjust it manually, like, hold, let me open trading view, for example. Let's bring out a number that we can use to analyze. So UUSD, because if you guys know what pips is the numeric value of pips is the number used to determine the rate for the currencies, something like that. So let's say you buy the market, you want your stop loss to your take profit to be at 10, this 10300, and our stop loss to be at 10750. The stop loss is 1037300. So you come to trading this place, you can come to trade. When you press trade, if you don't want to adjust the stop loss like that first method I showed you, you can come to trade, then slide it to the side, and just press this button here, and we adjust the take profit. The take profit is 1.07300. You press modify, and same goes for stop loss, 1750. Boom, the trade is in after modifying. Now if you can see, it has adjusted the stop loss for us by itself. Now we can also, same thing goes for selling. So let's close this position. How you close a position is you drag it to the side and you click this button, this first one before the pencil icon, and you close. Like now that we are in loss, it's going to write close in loss. If you are in profit, it will write close in profit. So we are going to close the trade in loss. Boom, we are out of the trade. So this today made loss. We can come to history and check last week. This is the profit for last week, last month, 3 months time, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. So this is today. Now let's say we want to sell this market. Let's use another pair, for example. Let's use GBP USD. So open charts. We want to sell GBP US dollar, so we just sell. We click the sell icon. Automatically, see, it has taken us into a sell position. Remember, we click here for sell. This zone here is the sell place, is the buy place. So now, oh, we're in loss, 25% cost. So you can set, yeah, you can adjust the stop loss. So you click the trade, same method. Let's say we want to risk 0.5, and the take profits is down here, because sell, when you sell, the market should drop. You get, this stop loss is too close. We're going to hit stop loss before I finish explaining. So this, like this, now click set the stop loss SL. You click the SL, then set it, click the TP, then set it here. Then you just press the blue button, then modify the position. You can either do that, or you come to trade and slide in manually and input the value by yourself. Let's say we want our take profit to be at the next zone, so 2500, which is here, down here. And let's say we want our stop loss to be tighter, like we want to set a stop loss at 12325. So boom, 123 153.35. Modify. See, the stop loss has been modified. You can either adjust it there or you come to here to adjust it. Now you can check for you can analyze here too, but I don't really analyze there. So let's close the trade out in loss. Remember, for you to be in profit, if you sell the market, this bid and ask will have to cross below, will have to fall down to drop for it to be in profit if you are selling. So we're going to close this trade out in loss, obviously. So now you can adjust the style of your chart. The reason why mine is black is because I use dark theme. Let's put it to the bright theme, so you see when white theme, so you see what I'm saying. Boom, this is how the chart looks. White screen, everything is the same, it's just the color that changes and the backgrounds that changes. So you can adjust the setting of the colors of the chart by yourself. So setting I think is, you can adjust the color by yourself. Color, this is black and white. See, the chart now is black and white, but me, I like it default, so we're just going to be using color, the normal colors, which are this right here. So this is everything you need to know about using MT5 as a trading platform. But note, we only place trades on MT5. I don't take and I don't analyze on MT5. I analyze on TradingView. So thank you, and yeah, later.